Good morning, students. Today we will start the haloalkanes. When one hydrogen atom of an alkene is replaced by a halogen atom. Example is when CH4, here we have replaced one H and on that side we have put it as CH3, Cl. So that is formation takes place, that is said to be the chloromethane. Okay. First of all, what will happen? The halo group will come first. Okay. Next is naming of haloalkanes. In the naming of the haloalkanes, like CH3Cl, in a CH3Cl structure formation you are seeing how it is formed. After that, the name it is methyl chloride. Why methyl chloride? CH3 name we have taken first and Cl name we have taken at last. Second one is C2H5Cl. So here two carbons are there. If two carbons means ethane is there. Chloroethane it is. Next is how many carbon? 3 carbons are there. 3 carbons means propane will come. And we will give the chloro first. So it is a chloropropane. So chloropropane, the name we can also say as propyl chloride. On the upside you can see the table is there. Here it is written chloromethane, ethane, propane, butane. How it is written you can see, and these things you have to write down in your copy. And the journal formula is also be there. Next topic we will start the alcohols. In a alcohols, what will happen? OH group is attached. When a OH group is attached, it is said to be the hydroxylic group. Attached to a carbon atom is said to be the alcohol group. Here we are replacing one H by OH. Means we will take a one H and we are putting a OH. And when we are giving a naming, we are putting all. You can see in the table. Like methane is there. OH group is present, so it is a methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. Okay. Journal formula is CnH2 and plus 1 OH. Naming of alcohol, first example CH3OH. Here the structure formation takes place, that is a methyl alcohol. After this I would like to tell, don't be confused. If it is a methane, last one E taken out, replace the E and put a OL. Okay, that is a methanol. So in a alcohol, OH group we are putting, but we are writing OL. After that, our next one, example C2H5OH. It is said to be the 2-carbon ethanol. Okay, structure is given for us. It is also said to be the C2H5OH, that is a ethanol. In a ethanol, we are putting OL because OH group is present, that's why. Next is C3H7OH. 3 carbon are present. It is a propanol, OL. The structure is given. You can write this structure in your copies also. Propyl alcohol we can say. And the sample problems are there. These sample problems you have to write down in your copy. So in an alcohol, if C4 is there, then you can say butanol. 5 is there, you can say pentanol. So in a alcohol, what will happen? OH group we are writing, but when we are saying that it is a OH group, what we will do? We are putting a OL over there. Okay, understood? Next topic we will take as a aldehyde. Sample problems please do in copy. In a aldehyde, what will happen? CHO group is there. CHO group is attached to the alkyl with the alkyl, like CH3CHO. So here 2 carbons are there. One is CH31, second is C1. So we can say is methane ethane. It is said to be the ethanol. In a alcohol, what we have done? OL we have put it here. We will put a AL at last. Okay, so you can see here in a diagram. In a diagram you can see form aldehyde 1, that CH3CHO ethanol is there. General formula CnH2NO is there. Downside you can see. N is for 1, 2, 3, 4. How many we will take? Naming of aldehyde, when we will do, what we will do? We will leave the last one E, cut it and put it a AL over there. Okay, CHO group. CHO is already a one group. It means it already having a one carbon. In a green one table you can see methanol. Already CHO group is present. Why it is so? One carbon is present. That's why it is said to be the methanol. Is this one CH3CHO? 2 carbons are present. It is said to be the ethanol. But 1, 2, 3. Then it is said to be the propanol. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. You have to see this thing, that how many carbons. It is a butanol. Next examples we will do in this one only. CHO. CHO is a group. We are writing the structure, and it is said to be the, because one carbon we will say as methanol, and its naming, common name we can say it is a formaldehyde. Second example, CH3CHO, so we can say it is an acetaldehyde. Next example is CH3CH2CHO, means methane, ethane, propane, so it is said to be the propane aldehyde. Aldehyde, why we are saying? Because it the last one CHO group is present, that's why. And one more thing you have to learn here, in a alcohol we have put it a OL, here we will cut E at last and we are putting AL at last. Okay, so understood students, these things you have to write down in your copy with sample problems. Okay, and next we will start a topic that is a ketone. Thank you students and have a nice day.